Hi guys! Another recipe to try while we're still isolated, the popular corn dog, also known as croquette. I have this Maya original hotcake mix and I'm only gonna use 250 grams for our batter. I am adding up 1 medium egg and 3/4 cup of milk. And then whisk until it's creamy and smooth. Add more milk for consistency, just 1 teaspoon. Dash of our vegetable oil. And of course our grated cheese. And again whisk until it's creamy. Let's check the consistency if it's creamy enough. And then pour it in a dish or in a drinking glass for dipping later. I am using these Bockswurst sausages, but you can use any kind. If it's too long, cut it to 2. Now, dip the sausages into the batter and roll into our breadcrumbs. Coat it very well so it's nice and crispy when it's cooked. Okay, let's get ready to deep fry our croquette or corn dog. Make sure that the oil is really hot. And deep fry by batches until it's golden brown. Just 1 minute each side. Here comes the best part, the tasting.
It's good.
How about you, Fleur?
Yummy. Tasty.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe.